Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign out of your Tonkeeper account. We'll also see how to sign in again. So first we're going to go to our Tonkeeper account, then click on settings, then once you scroll downwards, you'll see the sign out wallet option. So we're going to click on it. As you can see, you need a backup copy of the recovery phrase to not lose your wallet. Then once you're sure you have it, you're going to click on sign out. Then they're going to ask you for your passcode you entered initially. So this is how you sign out. If you want to log in again, you're going to click on import existing wallet, then click on the existing wallet option. So as you can see here, you need to insert your recovery phrase, which was given to you when you created the account. So once you enter this, you're going to click on continue, then you're going to log in back again. But if not, you guys have to create a new wallet again. So they're going to ask you to create passcode. So this process, I've mentioned it in earlier videos. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.